Okay, buildbox 4 and buildbox 3 are the same in all of the parts, but of course buildbox 4 has an AI and some additional settings. But they are the same at the brainbox. With the brainbox, you can, without using coding, it's creating such a these things for you. And this is exactly like buildbox 3. You can see, and I explained it before in buildbox 3 tutorials. And I give some links. There are a lot of buildbox. I explain them one by one. You can refer to that video. Go to the buildbox 3 playlist, and you can find the video of the brain boxes. And I give you some links in description, but you can go to the playlist to access all of them. They are all the same, like buildbox 4. Thank you. And I don't want to repeat that in buildbox 4.